In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select Voice AI in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to set up your Voice AI agent. This is important because any agent you install will be connected to the workspace you're currently in. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand side of the platform. This is where you'll find the primary navigation menu for the different tools and features available in Gohighlevel. From there, click on AI Agents. After that, move to the top menu and click on Voice AI. This will take you into the section specifically designed for managing voice-based AI agents. If you're setting this up for the first time, this is where you'll begin creating or installing an agent that fits your needs. Next, click on Create from Scratch. Even though the wording suggests starting fresh, this is part of the path that gives you access to available voice AI options and templates you can work from. On the next screen, click Browse Marketplace. This is where Gohighlevel displays a selection of AI agents that are already available for installation. Using the marketplace can save time, especially if you want something pre-built instead of creating everything manually. Then click Continue to move forward. At this stage, you'll be able to explore the available agents in more detail. Now you can select categories if you want to narrow down your options. This can be helpful when you already know the kind of agent you're looking for and want to avoid scrolling through every listing. If you prefer, you can also simply browse all agents to see the full selection. That's a good option if you want to compare different choices before deciding. Once you find an agent that looks like a good fit, click on it to open its details. Take a moment here to review what the agent is designed to do so you can make sure it matches your use case. When you're ready, click Install. This begins the process of adding that Voice AI agent to your account. Finally, click Allow and Install to confirm. This step gives the necessary permissions and completes the installation process. And that's it. You've successfully selected and installed a Voice AI agent in Gohighlevel. If you're following along, just take your time in the marketplace so you can choose the agent that best matches your workflow.